Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Tom woke up late on Monday morning. He looked at his phone and saw the time. Oh no, he shouted. It was already 9 o'clock. He was supposed to be at work at 8. Tom jumped out of bed quickly. He got dressed in 2 minutes. He did not eat breakfast. He ran to his car and drove to work. The traffic was terrible. Tom arrived at the office at 9:30. He walked slowly to his desk. His boss, Mrs. Johnson, was waiting for him. "Tom, you are very late today," she said. Tom's face turned red. He needed to think of an excuse quickly. "I am so sorry, Mrs. Johnson," he began. "There was a big accident on the highway." Mrs. Johnson looked at him carefully. "An accident?" she asked. "Yes, it was very serious," Tom continued. 5 cars were involved. His coworker, Lisa, was listening from her desk. She raised her eyebrows. She knew Tom was not telling the truth. "The traffic was stopped for 45 minutes, Tom added. "I tried to call, but my phone battery died." Mrs. Johnson crossed her arms. "That is strange, Tom," she said slowly. "I drove on that highway this morning. There was no accident." Tom's face became even more red. "Well, maybe it was a different road," he said nervously. Mrs. Johnson shook her head. "Tom, please tell me the real reason," she said firmly. Tom looked at the floor. "I overslept," he admitted quietly. "My alarm did not go off." Mrs. Johnson's face softened a little. "Thank you for telling me the truth," she said. "Honesty is always better than excuses." Tom nodded his head. "I understand, Mrs. Johnson," he said. "I will not make excuses again." "Good," Mrs. Johnson replied. "Now please get to work." Tom sat down at his desk quickly. He turned on his computer. Lisa walked over to his desk. "That was a terrible excuse," she whispered. Tom laughed quietly. "I know," he said. "I panicked and could not think clearly." "Next time, just tell the truth from the start," Lisa advised. "People appreciate honesty more than perfect excuses." Tom smiled and nodded. "You are right," he agreed. That evening, Tom set 3 alarms on his phone. He did not want to be late ever again. And he definitely did not want to make up another bad excuse. Learn with LingoStories.app.